Hello YouTubers, this is a video of my RAF Skymarks, as you can see, RAF tanker A330-200. As you can see the Airbus, see it, Skymarks is an Airbus licensed product, as you can see, yeah, made in Taiwan. And that's the box it came in. I love this model. Yeah, I love this model. Yeah, I'm going to put that on my bed. Let's have a look at the plane. It's got royal. Let me just put it in the light so you can see it better. There's the RAF logo on there. As you can see that bit there. You've got the Airbus military. Yep. Got wing hoses. But this is the RAF Voyager. But you know, in the light, you've got RAF, Royal Air Force, Airbus military, A330, mrtt, RAF. And here you've got on the back here, you think you've got a little probe thing. Got the tail and then the rear. Yeah. See the doors. Another door there. Cockpit. Yeah. Underneath here, the little line there, it's a boom. There's the RAF logo underneath, with the wing hoses. Show you the width there and the wing span as well. Yeah. There it is, and the engines are there. Yep. Well, thank you for watching, YouTubers. Bye. Please write and comment.